Hello, I'm going to make a very short video about how we can make a very clean place in a dairy farm. This is a typical normal dairy farm, but you can see this place is very dirty and filthy. The reason for that is you can see the floor is made of cement, and the cow's urine and manure is the cement is all absorbing, and that's the reason why the cow gets sick and they get viruses and disease, all kind of disease infections. So I thought, here's my idea. This is a rubber mat, and this is a rubber mat. Mat is made of rubber or PVC, and it's very cheap too. So this kind of rubber mat should be on the floor all the way here and this side too. So this rubber does not absorb moisture. It's just there, so you can easily clean the moisture by swiping a broom, like a broom. Yeah. And here's another problem with a dairy farm. There's a kind of like a robot is doing this, and there's a back and forth, so all this manure is moving toward this direction and it's going back and forth. And this is a good thing, but it's also a bad thing, because as soon as this thing moves, you can see all the manure and urine is going in this direction too. So there's a lot of urine in this right here too. So I would use a little hole, like a little bit of sewer, make a little sewer hole here, so the urine and manure can go down underneath. So as this goes, so that's another way to make a very clean place. Here you can see the cow is sleeping on a cement floor, and this gives incredible stress to cow, because cement floor is very cold, like in a winter season, so they can't produce milk a lot because it's cold. So I suggest they use this kind of thick rubber mat, and this rubber mat is very comfortable. They use it in a sport gym. So, and it's very durable too, so they can use it for at least like 20 years or even more. This rubber can last a very long time. So that's about it. Thanks for watching the video. I hope we can make a very clean place in a dairy farm.